Instagram recently launched Reels. TikTok clone. Ever since Instagram Reels launched, I've been looking for a way to remove this thing. My Instagram feed has been taken over by Reels and I just want my old feed back. I found a great way to do this, but it comes with its share of compromises. Hello everyone, I'm Aman Rashid, you're watching Gadgets 360, and before we go ahead, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever a new video drops. Now let's get started. To avoid IG Reels, first you need to log into your Instagram account through any mobile browser or any desktop browser such as Safari, Google Chrome or Firefox. So once you start using Instagram on a browser, you'll notice that the Reels videos won't appear in the Explore tab. Even if you visit any Instagram profile, you'll see that the Reels tab is not present. So if you don't mind using Instagram via your phone's or computer's browser, then this is the only way to avoid Reels as of now. This method is better for privacy as well because Instagram won't have access to your photos, microphone or camera, and you can even view or post stuff to Instagram as you do via the app. I know it's a bit of an extreme measure, but it's the only way to return Instagram to the way it was. This is how you can get rid of Instagram Reels. Let me know in the comments if you know about a different method. As always, thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.